Bay Radio, powered by PLDT Subictel DSL. Call them up 252-2375 or email sales@subictel.ph and check out PLDT's Fiber, the fastest, most powerful internet because it's fiber. Now available in Biniktikan, Kalayaan, and QB areas. Also available now, that's the latest addition to that, now available in the Central Business District area. Check it out for the fastest, most powerful internet, PLDT Fiber. I got another Kid Rock song coming up, requested song. But before that, I would like to give way to these guys who are sort of like, doing their job right now here at the station, building in. They are here to do inspection about the... Well, I think it would be better if they're going to be the ones to explain that. Ladies and gentlemen, our friends from the SBMA Fire Department. Hello, sirs. Magandang morning. Self-introduction, please. You first. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. My name is RJ Junicio from Fire Prevention Division. I would like to greet SBMA Fire Department, A and B Platoon, headed by Chief Rani Magno, Fire Prevention by Chief Raul Safanta.
All right. Good morning to you guys. And how about you, sir?
Well, I'm Christopher Dava from Fire Prevention, together with my buddy RJ, and we're here to inspect the capability of the all the fire extinguishers at the SBMA building. So we conducting an inspection for all these cylinders of the offices.
Wow. Should I say thank you for doing that? Because this is very important what you guys are doing. Kailangan to, no? Actually, I interrupted them while they're doing their job. Ayan, napaka-importante nitong ginagawa ninyo, sir, no? Sa bawat building naman talagang kailangan to, no?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. To ensure fire safety
of all the facilities, siyempre, dahil kailangan nating ingatan, no? At hindi lang property, siyempre pati buhay natin, no? So every we're here to assist naman.
Speaking of assist, samantalahin na rin natin yung pagkakataon. You guys listening, yung mga kailangan ding ma-inspect, they can call on you guys, ano? Baka merong
Yes,
mga
sir.
kailangang ipa-check, alin pa ba yung mga okay, di ba? Pwede rin nila kayong tawagan, ano?
Yes, sir. Aside from inspecting the different locators of the entire SBMA, offices and building of the government, the SBMA. Pero sa mga ganyan, sir, pwede rin kaming kontakin para magkaroon tayo ng
there you go. For safety.
For safety, sir. For safety.
SBMA Fire Department hotline number is 252
4061.
4061.
For fire prevention office, but for operation is 252-4830 or 4657.
Okay, and if those numbers are hard for you guys to remember, you simply remember 911 or for cell phone numbers 9111.
Yes,
Kahit
yes.
walang load, makakatawag ka dyan eh.
Yes, sir.
Dahil those are emergency numbers.
Emergency.
All right, so thank you, sirs,
Thank
for
you,
dropping by. I got your song coming up on the list. Anybody else you would like to greet? May gusto pa kayong idagdag? Baka nakalimutan nyo si Mahal, si
Junicio family, Orani Bataan.
All right. Okay, thank you for dropping by. There you go.